Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we will discuss the concept of errors and also we will discuss the detailed classifications of errors. We were going to start this one. So in the last class or in the last video we are discussing about standard classifications of the standard, calibration, need of calibrations and dynamic characteristics. So next we'll move on to the error. So first we'll define what is the meaning of error. So first of all, error is defined as it is the difference between the observed value or true value of an quantity being measured is known as error. So error is defined as a difference between observed value or true value of an quantity being measured is known as a errors. So take one example in definition: observed value and true value. True value or standard value is the 15 volt. If I provide the 15 volt of that input and whatever that instrument you have taken or respond of that observed value should be given by 10 volts, so that difference should be 5 volt. So that is the error. Okay, so next we'll move on to the classifications of error. So first one is the static, second one is the dynamic. So again, static is divided into three types: gross, systematic and random. Systematic is divided into three types. Systematic is again divided into three types: instrumental, environmental, observational. So next we'll move on to the detailed one by one, that is static error. So what is the meaning of, first of all, static error? So the error which occur in stationary condition is known as a static error. It will occur in the stationary condition. So this errors occurs due to human mistakes while taking readings, handling instruments, incorrect setting or adjustment, or improper use of instrument, and inherent shortcoming of the instrument. So next we'll move on to the gross error. So what is that gross error? So gross error is reduced by taking reading and recording carefully, by proper handling of the instrument. For example, the experimental reading, the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius and while actual reading is taken by 21 degrees Celsius. So that is the error, or a difference is 10 degrees Celsius. Already you know, in static error is also one of the gross error. These errors are occurs due to human mistakes while taking reading, handling of the instrument, incorrect setting or adjustment, improper use of the instrument. And these errors are also known as, gross errors are also known as personal errors. These errors cannot be treated as a mathematically. So you should know how to take the readings, how to handle the instrument, and you have to adjust that instrument. Then only you can reduce that gross errors. So next we'll move on to the systematic error. So this errors occurs due to shortcoming of the instrument, such as defective or effect of environment on the instrument. It may be defect or effect on environment on the instrument. Again it is divided into three parts: instrumental error, environmental error, observational error. So what is that instrumental error? This errors occurs due to three main reasons: due to inherent shortcoming of the instrument, due to misuse of instrument, due to loading effects on instrument. So what is that inherent shortcoming of the instrument? These errors occurs due to construction, calibration or operation of the instrument. These errors are reduced by the proper procedure of the measurement must be carefully planned. So that is the inherent shortcoming of the instrument. In short, misuse of instrument means what? This errors occurs due to insufficient information about the instrument by the operator. Operator don't know what is the information about that instrument. Second one, these errors may be these errors may be reduced by knowing the proper procedure and regarding operation of the instrument. Then only you can remove that instrument, or you can avoid that instrument or reduce that instrument. Third one is the loading effect. What is the meaning of that loading effect? One of the most common error is beginner is the improper use of instrument for measurement work. These errors reduced by the proper procedure and skills are required. Skills is necessary, or skills are very important to use that instrument. You should know the proper procedure, and skills is very essential. Next one is the second one, environmental error. So this errors occurs due to external condition to the measuring instrument. This may be effect of temperature, it may be pressure, humidity, dust, and external magnetic or electric field. These errors avoided by or reduced by keeping surrounding constant with the help of air conditioning and temperature control system. Next, we'll move on to the observational error. So what is the observational error? So observational errors occurs by the observer due to incorrect vision of observer during observing the pointer. This error can be removed or avoided or reduced by taking reading carefully using digital instrument. So next we'll move on to the dynamic error. So what is the dynamic error? The difference between true value of a quantity changing with the time and the value indicator by the instrument. Already we have seen in the last class, or in the last lecture, or in the last PPT, dynamic characteristics. So in that, dynamic is the very important word, changing with respect to time. What is that dynamic error? The difference between true value of the quantity changing with the time and the value indicated by the instrument. These errors occurs due to poor response time, poor fidelity, and the retardation, lag of the instrument while quantity changes with time. If you want to minimize, or if you want to reduce this error, these errors can be reduced by taking reading carefully and to follow proper procedure about this instrument. So in all the errors, you should know the proper procedure and proper adjustment of the instrument, and proper skills are required, and also you take the proper reading carefully. So next we'll move on to the random or residual errors. So these errors are due to unknown causes. You don't know. Generally these errors are small in nature. These errors remain the systematic, and gross errors are removed. These errors difference in values when repeated measurement of the same variables are made, and these variations are not possible by calibrations or others. Thank you.